Welcome back. Watch the video complete to get latest cyclone update for Australia and Mauritius. Please subscribe my channel for daily weather update. Thanks. First we look at New Zealand. An active front with embedded heavy showers and thunderstorms is expected to move eastwards over the North Island today, while a cool southerly wind change moves north over the South Island. In the North Island, there is a moderate risk of thunderstorms about Northland, Auckland, Coromandel Peninsula, Waikato, Taupo, Western Bay of Plenty, Eastern Taihape and Hawke's Bay this afternoon, and about Eastern Bay of Plenty and northern, inland parts of Gisborne, Tarawidi this afternoon and evening. These thunderstorms will bring locally heavy rain of 10-25 mm and squally wind gusts mainly up to about 100 km per hour. A low risk covers over northern and central parts of the North Island during the day, and also Wellington and southern Wairarapa late afternoon or evening with a southerly wind change. For Australia, a tropical low 05U has been developing slowly in the central Coral Sea and is expected to become a tropical cyclone overnight Tuesday or early Wednesday. This system is forecast to track southwest towards the Queensland coast over the next few days as it intensifies. The system is likely to cross the Queensland coast late Thursday between Cardwell and Airlie Beach as a Category 3 system. In the longer term, the system is likely to track inland and south as a deep tropical low bringing heavy to intense rain to parts of central, western and southern Queensland. Gales with damaging wind gusts to 120 km per hour may develop about the Whitsunday Islands from Wednesday afternoon and extend to mainland communities between Townsville and St. Lawrence overnight Wednesday into Thursday morning. Gales with damaging wind gusts to 120 km per hour may extend northward to coastal and island communities between Cairns and Townsville during Thursday. Destructive wind gusts to 155 km per hour may develop about coastal and island communities between Cardwell and Proserpine including Townsville and the Whitsunday Islands during Thursday. Heavy rainfall which may lead to flash flooding may develop about coastal areas between Townsville and St. Lawrence from late Wednesday before spreading to adjacent inland areas and north to Cairns during Thursday and into Friday. Intense rainfall which may lead to dangerous and life-threatening flash flooding is possible near and south of the system, most likely with the coastal crossing during Thursday. A flood watch is also current for these areas. During Friday, the system is expected to become an inland rain depression and heavy rainfall may develop across central and southern Queensland from Friday and into the weekend as the system tracks inland and then south. As the system approaches and crosses the coast, a storm tide is expected between Townsville and Mackay. Large waves may produce minor flooding along the foreshore. For Mauritius, latest observations indicate that the cloud system associated with the marked low pressure area is slightly better organized. At morning hours, the marked low pressure was located at about 385 km to the north-northeast of Mauritius near 17.0 degrees south and 59.5 degrees east. Over the last 12 hours, the low pressure has moved towards the southeast at a mean speed of 10 km per hour. Given its position and likelihood of further intensification, the low represents a potential threat for Mauritius considering that it continues to approach our region. A change of the trajectory towards the south may bring the center of the low closer to Mauritius. A cyclone warning class 2 is in force in Mauritius. The public in Mauritius is advised to complete all precautions as clouds associated with the marked low crosses the island. They will give intermittent rain, mainly to the east, the south and over the high grounds. The rains may be moderate at times with chance of thunderstorms and may cause local water accumulation.